Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep track of your Instagram activity and see which posts you've liked in just the past week, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter your Instagram likes by the past week with the latest update. This is a super handy way to manage your engagement, revisit posts you found interesting, or just keep your feed organized. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile, look up to the top right corner. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Give that a tap to open up the menu. From the menu, find and tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores all your recent actions, making it easy to review and manage everything you've done on the app. Next, scroll down and tap on Likes. Here, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked, but we want to narrow it down to just the past week. To do that, look for the Filter by Date option at the top of the Likes page. Tap on it, and a calendar will pop up, giving you several options to choose from. Now, simply select Past Week. Instagram will instantly filter your liked posts, showing you only the ones you've interacted with over the last 7 days. It's that easy. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to keep tabs on their recent interests, find posts they want to revisit, or even manage their digital footprint more efficiently. No more endless scrolling or trying to remember what you liked days ago. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.